Welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to show you what you could expect from the Four Seasons Bogota Casa Medina. This is the other Four Seasons property in Bogota. I did review just the regular Four Seasons, but this is the Casa Medina property. This is located on Carrera 7. Very conveniently located, but I'll tell you, this one blew that other Four Seasons away. Now, I had a good stay at the Four Seasons Bogota, but this was just phenomenal. I mean, this is in an old colonial building. I mean, it's just beautiful, as you can see here. As you see some of the walking areas, some of just the public areas in this hotel. But I'll leave a link for my review of the Four Seasons Bogota up top there, so you can click on that to compare the two. So I booked originally the Grand Premier room with the fireplace, was upgraded to the Executive Suite. Now that does have a fireplace as well. Now I made this booking under the Four Seasons Preferred Partner. So if you know a travel agent who has that Preferred Partner status, you can book through the Preferred Partner program. And it's not going to cost you any more than what the Four Seasons is charging on their website. So that's the good thing, and I'm going to let you know of all the benefits you get here from that. So you get daily full breakfast for 2 people per bedroom. That can be served in the restaurant or through in-room dining. You'll get a hotel or resort credit, $100 per stay for the guest room. It's $200 for suites and specialty suites. Now, just keep in mind, if you have to have booked a suite to be eligible for the $200 credit. If you're upgraded to a suite, you're still going to get the $100 credit if you were just booked a regular guest room. So keep that in mind, and also $200 credit per stay if you're in a private retreat. This particular Four Seasons didn't have any private retreats, but that's something to keep in mind if maybe you're at a more exotic location. You'll get an upgrade of 1 category based on availability at the time of check-in, so that benefit did work out in my favor. Complimentary standard internet in all guest rooms and premium internet in all suites. And I don't know, who knows if you could really tell the difference from that or not, but yeah, just looking through the room, I mean, just beautifully designed room. And what I love here, if you notice, all the cabinets and the nightstand, it looks like luggage. So yeah, I know it sounds cheesy, but yeah, that does inspire travel, in my opinion there. But yeah, I really love the decor in this room. There you've got the charger there that pulls out of the drawer, which I like. But yeah, I really love the luggage theme tables, nightstands in the room there. So here you've got the closet where you've got the safe available, shoe bag there, slippers, other closet here. You've got the umbrella in there, hangers, iron and iron board, place to put your luggage there, more space up top. And this last one here, again, just more space available. Coat rack. Got a full-size mirror there at the end of the hall there, and in the bathroom. Got some water there. Only one vanity there. And again, this Acacia Amazonas toiletries, which is the same set of toiletries you would have saw in my review in the other Four Seasons. So it's a local Colombian brand, and got a nice shower here, fairly large. Now, one thing, the thoughtful design there is in the middle there is that stone, so you don't have to worry about slipping in the shower with the stone middle and in between the marble. So that is a really thoughtful design element. Just some of the little things, that make the room more functional and definitely safer as far as the shower goes. Now, to me, the star, I love the room and everything, but the star of the show, and as you can see the fireplace here, the star of the show of this hotel is the restaurant. I mean, the food was just phenomenal. Castanyoles was the restaurant. That is downstairs here. So when you come out the room here, you got an overhead view of that, as somebody was having a party there. a little private party, but there's a view of the bar area. That here's kind of cafeteria area, so you can grab coffee and stuff here. 'Cause I believe the restaurant doesn't open until 7 p.m. on the other side. But here's the look of the restaurant here on the ground floor, and I'm just gonna kind of leave you with some of the drinks and food that I tasted during this day, and I'll get back with you at the end for my final thoughts. I hope you're hungry now, so let me give you my final thoughts on the Four Seasons Bogota Casa Medina. Food, service, ambiance, decor was excellent. This hotel, in my opinion, is a lot better than the Four Seasons Bogota. And the Four Seasons Bogota is not bad, but I really enjoyed this one a lot better. But I'd love to hear your comments below. As always, I appreciate you watching. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, share this with a friend, and I will see you next time.